So today I'm changing the battery on the MSI 76 because this battery only holds for like an hour now. So I got this one, and let me show you what the battery actually looks like. So it's like two batteries in one. So this is the one that I got, and this is the original here. You can see this one's like two batteries. I don't know, we'll see how good it is. It's supposed to be same size and everything. Is this thing not focusing? Anyways, let me get back to it. So here's the original, and here is the eBay, not the eBay, Amazon, and that is the bottom of the battery, what it looks like here. And it only has 5 screws, so pretty easy to move. The only issue here was the connector. You just gotta push it with the screwdriver from here, from the middle back, a little harder, and then it'll come out, because that one, it's pretty stuck in there. But it just slides back and you're good. Okay, the battery's in. It's pretty easy to change. So now we'll just see if it's any good. Here are the specs. And let me put the cover and everything back and turn it on and see what it says. Alright, I didn't put the cover back on. I just went ahead and started and then it turned off. So let me see, let me show you. It is turning on. It's supposed to be somewhat charged, but I guess it's not charged, so I'm gonna have to charge it. So it's going. I can see the lights. Okay, what do we got here? Hang on. Okay, second time turn on. Let's see if it's gonna stay on. I just want to see the battery on the bottom there. Energy saver on. I have 51% or 50%. So I don't know why it turned off, but they said to run it down with this one on and then charge it. So that's why I was kind of worried why it shut off. But there you go. It's 50%, so I'll have to use it and then charge it again a couple times. So there you go. That's what that battery replacement is, and you can see it's right there. That's the original. So not much to it, and seems to be working for now.